Intro. If you're a content creator, marketer, or entrepreneur, this video might be your secret weapon. In 2025, AI tools are not just helping us create faster, they're making our content 10 times better. Today, I'm going to show you 9 game-changing AI tools that are helping creators go viral, save hours of work, and even make real money online. Let's jump in. Tool number 1, Sora by OpenAI. Video from text. Let's start with one of the biggest breakthroughs. Sora by OpenAI. This tool turns simple text prompts into ultra-realistic video scenes. You can describe anything, like a drone shot of a waterfall in the jungle at sunset. And Sora brings it to life, perfect for cinematic intros, product promos, or storytelling videos without any filming. Tool number 2, Pika. AI for short-form video editing. Next up, Pika. Pika is a video editing tool built for short-form creators. You upload footage, give it a few instructions, and Pika adds effects, transitions, music, subtitles automatically. It's basically your personal TikTok or Reels editor on Autopilot. Perfect for daily content, faceless channels, or repurposing your long-form videos. Tool 3, Opus Clip, turn long videos into viral shorts. If you're making YouTube videos or podcasts, Opus Clip is a game changer. It takes a full video and cuts it into multiple vertical shorts with perfect captions, jump cuts, emojis, and even hook-based titles, all using AI. Perfect for repurposing content and growing fast on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Tool number 4, ElevenLabs Realistic AI Voice Generator. ElevenLabs is one of the most realistic AI voice generators available right now. You can generate voiceovers that sound completely human, in multiple tones, accents, and even clone your own voice. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels, audiobooks, product demos, and more. Tool 5, ChatGPT 4.5 with Memory. AI assistant that knows you. The new version of ChatGPT now has memory, which means it can remember your name, your style, your projects, and help you build faster with personalized output. You can use it to write video scripts, emails, marketing content, business plans, anything. Perfect for productivity, writing, content planning, or running your business smarter. Tool number 6, Claude 4, best for long-form writing and strategy. Claude is known for its thoughtful, long-form output, and Claude 4 is even better. It handles deep strategy, content planning, and even advanced storytelling better than most AI tools. Perfect for building online courses, ebooks, lead magnets, or planning YouTube content in series. Tool 7, MidJourney's AI image generation. If you need scroll-stopping thumbnails, digital art, product mockups, or branding assets, MidJourney V6 is your best friend. With just a few prompts, you can create stunning, professional-level images in minutes. Perfect for thumbnails, IG posts, YouTube channel art, and creative storytelling. Tool number 8, Descript, all-in-one video plus audio editor. Descript lets you edit videos and podcasts like a Google Doc. Just delete the words in your transcript, and it cuts the video automatically. It also lets you overdub your voice, clean audio, and remove filler words in seconds. Perfect for podcasts, interviews, educational videos, or repurposing webinar content. Tool number 9, Canva, Magic Studio, fast visual content creation. Canva's AI tools are now part of Magic Studio, which includes Magic Write, AI Video, AI presentations, and AI background remover. You can create carousels, reels, slide decks, posters, and promo videos with just a few clicks. Perfect for creators who want stunning content without hiring a designer. Wrap up 6:38. So there you have it, 9 AI tools that are changing the way we create content in 2025. And the best part? Most of these tools are free or super affordable. Now imagine combining them. Generate your script with ChatGPT, make your visuals with MidJourney, do your voice with ElevenLabs, and turn it into a video with Pika or Sora. That's content creation, fully powered by AI. If you want a full tutorial on how to build content using just AI tools from scratch, make sure you subscribe. And tell me in the comments, which of these tools are you excited to try first? See you in the next video.